What if one simple AI wall art design could earn you thousands on Etsy? It might sound impossible, but I found a seller quietly making big sales with it. In this video, I'll review the exact design, show you how to create it instantly with a free AI tool. This design style is called a Hokusai art style. It's a Japanese ukiyo-e style known for its bold lines, vibrant colors, and detailed woodblock prints that often depict landscape, nature, and everyday life. When you search for this style on Etsy, you notice that most product design in this niche carries the bestseller tag, which clearly shows that people are highly interested in this type of design. Now, to determine if this product is worth selling today, I decided to look it up on a platform called Alura. There, I was able to see how much this product has generated in total sales and revenue. By looking at the monthly stats, it became clear proof that demand for this design style is still very active. So imagine adding a highly profitable listings like this to your own store. For example, one seller has generated an impressive amount of total revenue by selling design in this style. So with all this validation, it's clear that this design is absolutely worth selling right now. But before we jump into the design process, here is something to consider. Most sellers in the wall art niche often stick to offering their design only as digital product. They do this to avoid dealing with inventory, shipping, or the risk of unsold stock. However, selling digital product alone leads to lower profit margin, which means to make more revenue, your store must either attract a large numbers of visitors or have multiple active listings making sales consistently. But what if I told you you could take this exact same digital design and offer it as a physical wall art without ever worrying about inventory? This way your customers have the choice, either buying a digital file they can print themselves or purchase a high profit margin physical product that delivers straight to their doorstep. And the best part, the process of selling physical product is easy. You create the design once and a print-on-demand platform handle everything for you, from printing to shipping without you ever touching the product. And this is where Printify comes in. With a platform like Printify, selling physical products has never been easier. Printify offers a wide range of popular white label products that you can print or design on effortlessly. Printify also integrates directly with popular online stores, and with Printify AI model, you can easily generate searchable information for your product, and your design will automatically be listed on your store. And when a customer makes a purchase, Printify handles both the printing and shipping without you ever touching a single product. Keep watching because I'll show you step by step how to set this up. Before we dive into the design process, let me share a quick tip. Etsy is excellent for beginners, but relying on it alone can be risky. Many sellers have lost their accounts without explanation. That's why it's always good to build your own online store alongside Etsy, and the process of setting up your own store is simple. Once you've decided on a platform to use, the next step is to choose a domain name. But instead of using a .com, I highly recommend using a .store extension. Why? Because websites with a .store domain receive 87% more traffic and rank twice as high on Google compared to the generic domain. Shoppers immediately recognize .store domain as a place to buy, which boosts sales faster. That's why global icons like MrBeast, Cristiano Ronaldo, Rihanna, Emirates Airline all use .store domain for their brands. Now, getting a domain with a .store extension usually costs $29, but if you head to checkout and use the coupon code Endatah, you get it at a discounted price with privacy protection turned on. Even if privacy protection is turned off, you still get a domain for a lower price for 1 year. And that is not all, you also get a free access to plot version or elevate.store when you register a .store domain. This is a premium toolkit designed to help online sellers grow faster. It includes deals and discounts for essential tools like Canva, Shopify, AutoDS, all free just for choosing a .store domain. Now, in order to create this design using AI, I tested 3 free AI platforms: Ideogram AI, AIEase, and Kittl AI. This platform gives you free tokens to create images and also include popular styles you can apply to your design. But before generating any images, we need to write a proper prompt. And here is how I structure my prompt. In a Hokusai art style, imagine a golden rice field during harvest season in a watercolor art style. After this, I copied the prompt into Ideogram AI. I used a 2:3 aspect ratio, selected the version 3.0, and chose the design style. And here is the result I got. On AIEase, I did not apply any style since the prompt already had its own style. And here is the result I generated. Finally, on Kittl AI, I used 2 different methods. First, I created a new project with a portrait aspect ratio, selected the AI tool, chose ChatGPT as the AI model, and pasted my prompt. After adjusting the aspect ratio, this is the result I got. In the second method, I used Kittl Flows. I took a screenshot of this design style, imported it into Kittl, selected the artboard, then choose Smartboard. The Smartboard linked directly to the screenshot and included a prompt box where I pasted the same prompt, and I got this. Now, putting all the designs side by side, which of these platforms perform better? And that's not all. I have a list of free prompts that you can use to generate similar results. Just leave a comment saying I want this prompt and I'll share the link. Also, a special thanks to my Patreon supporters for making this possible. Now, seeing this design will also be sold as physical product, you need to prepare it for Printify. And here's an important tip: always upscale your wall art design to a higher resolution to avoid pixelation. And a platform like Letter Enhance can make this super simple. Once you've integrated your online store with Printify, select a poster product and import your design onto the wall art frame. After this, Printify will automatically provide default product details. But to make your product highly searchable, use Printify AI model. Simply provide a short description of your product and it will generate an optimized title, description, and searchable tags for you. Once everything is finalized, click Upload. Hopefully, this video has inspired you to see the opportunity in wall art design and how they can quickly be turned into a profitable physical product. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.